Got too many team events popping up? Band's got you covered with a handy team calendar. Add a game day to the team calendar and share with everyone on the team. You can keep it simple. Or attach images and files, like lineups and strategies. Add the location of the game, so no one goes to the wrong field. Search or pin the right location. Set the time and date like a piece of cake. Members can be RSVP, so you clearly know who will be attending. You can specify the deadline to reply, or allow additional guests that aren't even in the band, such as friends and family. Then, set a reminder for the event to help everyone arrive on time. Choose when you want to be reminded, and you'll get a helpful alert just when you need it. Then, boom! Your event is neatly added to the calendar. Your players can check it out from the upcoming events section in your band. As they reply, you'll see the join count going up. Oops, did the schedule change in the last minute? No problem. Just edit the time and location of the original event. This will notify everyone of the change right away. What's Band? Everything you need for team scheduling.